Hello everyone, welcome back to Interview Buddies. In today's video, we are going to talk about some top PostgreSQL commands that will help you manage database schemas more effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on these essentials, these commands will help you make more productive in PostgreSQL. So let's get started. So first thing, how you connect to the database? You can say psql and database name. If you don't want to do that, you can do export pg database equal to postgres and then do psql, so you don't have to type the whole psql postgres every time. All right, so let's say you are already inside the database and you want to know what databases are present in your installation or in your setup. So you can type \l, right? So this will tell you, or this will list you basically all the databases that are present in the database. This is same as typing this full query. Select a star from pg database. So it will tell you, like, this query will give you exactly the same thing as from this command. So this is kind of a shorthand notation for what's in their database, in the database, right? So now we are inside the database. We have listed all the databases. How you will connect to some other database? So let's say web app. So you can see hyphens \c and then web app, basically your database name. So now you can see you are connected to this particular database. Okay, now other useful command is, let's say you are inside your previous database postgres and you want to list all the tables. How you do that? You do \, and dt. So dt is the shorthand notation of list all the tables in the database. Now on my screen you see it says that did not find any relations because my search path is not set. So how you can set it? First of all, show search path. So it says user public comma sales. I want to update it. I want to update it to public. I want to update it to public only. And now if I do that, it will give me all the items or all the tables inside the public schema, right? So that's how you can list all the tables inside the public schema or any other schema basically. Okay, now you have all these tables. You want to see what all the columns are inside the table. So how you can do that? You can do /d plus and the table name, let's say users, and it will give you the name of the columns, the type, the storage type, the compression, all the things about those columns or the tables or the particular table. Now you are inside the database. You know how to view the table. You want to see what are there any views inside the table. So you can do /dv, v for views. So there's no views inside the table. You want to see all the schemas present in the table in the database. So you can say /dn and it will give you to, like in my case it's giving two schemas, public and sales, right? And let's say you want to list all the functions. You can do /df. It will give you all the functions which are installed inside the database. So most of them are like installed as a part of Postgres installation. Few I have installed and whatnot. So this function is handy basically, right? So now you want to create a database. How you do that? So create database and sample, and now you can just run the command /l and you see that sample database is created here, right? And you can also define the access privileges. For this one there's not many, so So that's how you can create a database. You can drop the database in the same way. Dot database sample, and the database is dropped, right? And let's say you have a query to run and you want to know how much time it's taking. So there's a command called as timing. When you set it, timing is on, and then when you run, let's say select count star from users, it will tell you how much time that query took. So 3.8 milliseconds, and it gave 2 rows. So that's what you can do with the timing. Some admin commands are vacuum, analyze. So what vacuum does is cleans up and optimize the database. It's used regularly for maintenance. So you can run VAC vacuum, right? And you can run vacuum analyze as well. You can run both of them together. So that's how you can run vacuum analyze. Say that create user test, right? And then say with password hello. Okay, so you have created a user. If you type /du, it will give you the users, all the users. And then you can, if you want to drop a user, you can say drop user h test, right? And now again run that command, so that will give you the users. So these are the very basic commands. And if you want to know what are like other commands as well, you can just type question mark \question mark, and it will give you all the commands that you can use, and for admin purposes or whatever, that is easy for you to maintain the database. So these comes very handy. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit subscribe button. Thank you very much.